Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Class 9 Soft Skills in a lecture series on making an effective resume. In this class, we shall try to understand what are soft skills and why they are important in an interview, what soft skills will be effective to write on a resume. We shall try to understand. So, soft skills are a cluster of productive personality traits that characterize one's relationships in a social environment. Soft skills is an umbrella of skills. It includes many other skills in it. In addition to core skills, technical skills, domain skills, soft skills are also expected from any engineering graduate or to that extent any graduate whoever applies for a job. And what kind of skills these soft skills include is social graces, communication abilities, language skills, personal habits, cognitive or emotional empathy, time management, teamwork, and leadership traits. If you observe these adjectives or words clearly, these are very generic in nature, which are applicable to almost every job. These soft skills are expected from every individual, irrespective of whatever the job you have applied for. But to prove that you have those soft skills is very important, which matters more. Now, as I was telling, soft skills is very important requirement for any job in addition to the core skills. So this together combination of core skills and soft skills takes a candidate to a job. Now, as I listed before, these skills like communicating effectively, working in teams, showing leadership qualities, solving problems, being creative are few soft skills to name which are expected from candidate. Depending on the individual's ability and exposure, a student or a candidate can mention two or three soft skills which they are good at and which they can talk about for some time in an interview if any questions are asked about them. If you are confident that you are good at teamwork, you can mention this word teamwork on your resume. And when a question is asked, you should be able to explain why you are an effective team worker. If you say you're creative, then obviously a puzzle can be your question. So, like this, a candidate can plan what could come to them in an interview, whilst when an interviewer sees something like soft skills is written on their resumes. Now, how to answer the question when it is picked from a resume? If they ask you, how can you work in teams? Or if they ask you how good you are at communication, then apply this STAR technique. S stands for situation, T stands for task, A stands for action, and R stands for result. Take an experience, your personal experience. Name a situation, preferably from your college life. Take a situation, task, tell them what you had to do, action, tell them what you did, and result, tell them what you learned out of it or by doing whatever the task you have taken up, what was the primary outcome of that attempt. So if you apply this STAR technique, you can justify any soft skills that you mentioned on resume, even though if you did not mention it on resume. If interviewer asks in an interview, preferably in a HR interview or a business discussion rounds, when they ask you why should you hire you, why should the company hire you, or why should a company consider you, in addition to your core skills, you can also mention these soft skills and you can justify them using this STAR technique. That's it for this video. In next video, next class, we shall try to see why projects and internships are important on a resume, what will be the outcome of writing a project and internships, and what kind of questions we can expect from these two sections. Hope this content helps you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like the content, please like the video, and if you have any doubts, you can leave questions in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.